Hi guys, I haven't posted in a while because I was moving, so in this short video I'll be making a cool character in my style, and I hope you guys like it, so let's get started with making the sketch. Okay, so I just did a quick sketch and I'm extremely happy with the results. With that being said, now let's whip out the fine liners and get to the fun part, which is inking.
We got them on ice, slide, skate, wait. Dang, they think they slick. New to me, think that they hot, but we got them on ice, slide, skate, wait. Dang, they think they.
Okay, so I just finished inking and the results look amazing. It's currently 11:07 PM and I gotta sleep because I gotta wake up early. So see you guys tomorrow. Okay, so for coloring, I'll be using a mix of my Copic and Art and Fly markers to color the drawing.
Man, I remember being so naive when life was good, weather and palm trees. Back in the day, you were everything I need. But then along came a time when you crushed my dreams. Oh yeah, you played me like a fool when you made me believe that the line between love wasn't thick enough to read. Oh yeah, you see we in the spare crime everywhere. You're selling false hope cause you just don't care.
Okay, so I just finished the drawing. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.
Driving around in California, looking for something to make me stay.